Hey guys, Gambit here. So, changing the charging handle on the CZ Bren. Since this is a truly ambidextrous gun, you can actually change the charging handle to the other side. Now, what you need actually is 3 different sizes Allen key and a hammer. So let's get started. First of all, you will want to use the bigger one to unscrew 6 screws, basically all these sides panel. This is gonna take a while. Fast forward. This is gonna be fast forward. Suppose that's the first panel. That's the second panel. Then, one from the top over here, above the barrel. The top unit will just pop right off, like so. Then, use a hammer to pull this pin out. Hold the charging handle back. The whole unit will come out just like so. Be careful of the inner barrel. Next, take the smallest Allen key, feed it through the hole right here, and unscrew the screw that is connecting to the charging handle right here. Place the charging handle to the other side and place a screw in here. Oh boy, this is gonna be difficult. Okay, then reverse the process. Alright, so now the charging handle is to the right. That way, you can actually do all that AK manipulation, and if you hold your gun thumb over bore, the charging handle will no longer dig into your wrist. Of course, this is AEG, doesn't really matter, but adjusting the hop up will be a lot easier now. So that's how you change charging handle back to the other side.
That's really nice, Gambit. Can you put it back to the original state, please?
Thanks for watching, guys.